Anyways, I'm heading to a waterfall. I'm in Oregon, so I'm going to Sahalie Falls and maybe Silver Falls or Silver Spring Falls. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys. But please, can we just get to our destination? Because I'm scared. It's snowing.
Sahalie Park.
So we're at the Sahalie State Park, right?
Sahalie Falls.
Okay, we're at the Sahalie Falls. And it was a scary ride here. I'm so glad that it was not so obvious that we're climbing up the hill, but we actually climbed up the hills and it's snowing here. Like when we're coming, I saw snow up the hill or mountain or wherever, but I didn't know we were coming. And as we were like driving here, I just started seeing this guy. I'm like, oh my goodness, we're climbing up the mountain. So now I don't know where it just looks like a place where scary movies can be acted, and we're just going to go into the wilderness. Look at the forest. Oh my goodness. I'm excited. So let's go.
I've started.
So we're on the way to the waterfall.
Where are we going? This way.
Wow, man. Wow. If you enter there, wow.
That's
oh, this place is mad.
we don't take ski. Which ski? We are going. It's close to the water. This is the evil forest. You have to cross it together.
I'm not serious. You think this is the one in Anambra? I just got to the second fall. It was like 20 minutes, no more. So tired. Let me show you. Guys, I'm going back to my car. I don't see what's at the end of the trail. I'm done for today. I've tried. I hope you guys enjoyed the little view I showed you. Okay? So that's the second one. The first one I showed initially. But there's like, I don't know what's at the end of the trail, you know? There's something over there, but I don't know where that leads to, so I'm going back. I'm going back this way to my car. Bye guys. Bye. Love you. Subscribe.